In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Mobile V's desktop traffic in Google Analytics. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in GA4 to see how many users come from mobile devices versus desktop computers, and how to read the report with confidence. First, make sure you're in the correct property in Google Analytics 4. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click the Reports icon. It looks like a small bar chart and opens the main reporting area. Give it a moment to load. This section is where you'll find all of your standard reports, organized into intuitive folders. Next, we'll head to the Technology reports, which show the tools and devices your users rely on. Within the Reports area, find the User section, then click Tech and choose Tech Details. This report is designed to break down your audience by the technology they use. Things like browsers, operating systems, screen resolutions, and most importantly for this tutorial, device categories. Opening Tech Details ensures you're looking at a table that can easily pivot to the exact dimension we need. By default, the table usually opens with browser as the primary dimension. That's helpful for understanding which browsers people use, but it's not what we need for device type. To focus on mobile versus desktop, look at the top left of the data table for a small drop-down arrow next to the current dimension name. Click that drop-down and select Device category. This switch tells GA4 to regroup your data by the type of device rather than the browser. You should now see rows labeled Mobile, Desktop, and Tablet. To interpret this quickly, check the standard metrics in the columns to the right. Depending on your setup, you'll likely see users, sessions, engaged sessions, and engagement or conversion metrics. This view answers key questions at a glance, like which device type drives more traffic and how engagement differs across devices. For instance, if mobile has significantly more users but lower engagement, that may signal an opportunity to improve the mobile experience. A few quick tips for reading this report smoothly. The device category dimension is predefined by GA4, so you don't need to configure anything special to use it. The numbers you see reflect processed data, so very recent activity may take time to appear. And remember that spikes or dips might align with campaigns or site changes, so consider your broader context as you review the data. That's all there is to it. Open Reports, go to User, then Tech Details, and change the dimension to Device category. Now you have a clear, reliable view of mobile versus desktop traffic in GA4.